Hi everyone. In this lesson we will do finding the missing angle of triangles and quadrilaterals. Let's start from triangles. We have to memorize. In triangles, if you add all inside angles together, you will have 180 degrees. So inside angles, any triangle you add all together, you will have 180 degrees. This is important thing you have to memorize. For quadrilaterals, if you add all four angles, you will have 360 degrees. This is also important to memorize. So let's start from triangles. As you see, first one we have equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is triangle that has all sides are equal to each other. If all sides are equal to each other, that means all angles are also equal to each other. And when we divide 180 into 3 equal parts, it will be 60 degrees. Any equilateral triangle will have 60 degrees of all angles. So this is, we don't need to solve anything for this triangle right now. We already know all three angles are 60 degrees. Let's go to next one. We have here right triangle. As we know, right triangle has one angle is right angle, that is 90 degrees. And in this triangle there is given 30 for one angle. We have to find the missing angle. This is, let's name it X. So as we know, all angles together will be 180 degrees. How do we make the equation for this one? We will write down x plus 90 plus 30 equals to 180. Now we have to find x. 90 plus 30 is 120. It will be x plus 120 equals to 180. Let's subtract both sides to 120. We will get here 60 degrees. So x equals to 60. So we found that this x equals to 60 degrees. Let's check. 30 plus 60 is 90. 90 plus 90 is 180. So all inside angles we add, we get 180 degrees. Let's go to next one. We have isosceles here. In this case, we have two sides are equal and two angles are equal. Let's name this x. This is same x. So how can we find this missing angle? If we have 40, only one angle we have here. Again, we know all three together will be 180. What we have here? We have 2x or x plus x. We can write down, but let's do more mathematically. 2x plus 40 equals to 180 degrees, right? So let's subtract 40 from both sides, minus 40. This together will cancel out. We will have 2x equals to 180 minus 40 is 140. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. We will have x equals to 70 degrees. So this x, this is 70 and this is 72. Let's check. 70 plus 70 is 140 plus 40 is 180. So we found all inside angles that are equal to 180. Now let's do the same thing with quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals, we have rectangle, we have square. They all have squares, and all rectangles have 490 degrees. If you add 4 times 90, you will get 360 degrees. So 360 degree is the inside angles sum. If you add all inside angles of quadrilaterals, you will get 360 degree. Now for rectangle, it's easy. 4 times 90 is 360. Let's do this trapezoid. If we have here 110, 150, and 30, we are missing one angle. How can we find it? Same way, we're gonna add all together. X plus 110 plus 150 plus 30 equals to 360. Now let's see. How can we find it? We're gonna add all together, and we will all these numbers together. Let's start from here. 110 plus 150 will be 260, plus 30 will be 290. So we have now x plus 290 equals to 360. We subtract both sides. 290, we will have here, this one will cancel out. Let's subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. We regroup, this becomes 2. 16 minus 9 is 7, so this is 0. So we got x equals to 70. So this missing number, missing angle equals to 70 degrees. We can check. 70 plus 30 is 100, plus 110, 210, plus 150 will be 360. So our missing number was 60 degrees. The last one is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, it's also easy to count. Parallelogram is like rectangle. You pull the corners a little bit. These two angles are equal to each other. These two are equal to each other. So we have 50 here. That means we have 50 here too. We have 130 here and 130 here. These two are equal to each other. This is easy. We can add all together. 50 plus 50 plus 130 plus 130 will be equal to 50 plus 50 is 100. 130 plus 130 is 260 plus 100 is 360. So this is how we count the inside angles sum. We know inside angle sum for quadrilaterals equals to 360, and for triangles is 180. If you memorize that all angles you add together for any kind of triangle, you will get 180 degrees, and any kind of quadrilateral, you add all inside angles equals to 360 degree. You will solve any problem you see. This is for it today. Thank you. Have a good time. See you next time. Bye.